Hello, hi, welcome to IronFX webinar. Hello, everyone. We will start in a couple of minutes, okay? How are you guys doing today? So today we'll be looking at some breaking news and setups. For those who have just joined us, once again, welcome. Welcome to IronFX webinar. Hope you had a great week last week. Hello. Okay, so before we start, okay, just a little disclaimer. Please note that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be constructed as investment or trading advice. And also it should not be considered as investment recommendation. Okay. And please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. And if you have any question in the meantime, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Okay. Hey, and I'm Emily, investment analyst from EFG. This video is in collaboration, this webinar is in collaboration with IronFX. Okay, and EFG is a finalist for Best FX Research and also Best FX, Equities Research for the year 2020 and 2021. Okay, here's the agenda for today. So before we start our live trading, okay, before we start looking for any support and resistance level, okay, for any key levels of support and resistance, okay, we will be looking through some key economic events that will be happening this week, okay, mainly today and also tomorrow. There are some high impact news data that will be released today, okay, three, okay, two from the US and one from the euro. Okay, so it will affect the euros and also the dollar. Okay, so today okay, hi, welcome. Hello. I do have a question. Okay, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, okay? Okay, so today we have three major events upcoming. So firstly, for the euro, okay, the ECB, Euro Central Bank, okay, they'll be releasing the press conference, okay, and also the press conference will be at 1:45 on GMT, and also they will be releasing the monetary policy statement, okay, at 2:15 p.m. GMT. And okay, the ECB, right, is speculated to keep its refinancing rate on hold at 4.5% today. Okay, this will mark the third consecutive meeting where the central bank has paused its hiking cycle. Okay, and also the economy activity in EU has been quite sluggish, while inflation has eased quite significantly. Okay, allowing the ECB to take its foot off the rate hike pedal. And also at 1:45 p.m. Okay. President of the ECB, Christine, will be closely watched, okay, as she will provide further insights into the outlook for future monetary policy action. So if her outlook is a neutral or dovish, it could likely function as a bearish catalyst for euro. Okay, so you can keep a lookout for this ECB press conference and also the monetary policy statement today. Okay, it will be at 1:15 and 1:45 respectively. Okay, okay, and we also have the US unemployment claim and also GDP happening today. Okay, I will show you more on the next slides. And tomorrow, okay, core PCE price index and also Tokyo core CPI index, okay, will be released. Okay, so this is the past GDP report. Okay, this forecast of 2%. Okay, the previous release was 4.9%. So you want the result to be greater than forecasted. Okay, then that will boost the US economy. Okay, the advanced estimate for the fourth quarter of 2023, okay, actually points to the US economy growing at an annualized rate of 2%. So despite higher interest rate, right, the US economy has been chugging along quite smoothly. Okay, so they only have a estimated forecast of 2%. Okay, so it was so much lower from the previous months, okay, from the last release. Okay, so maybe 2% will be easier to hit. Okay. And also unemployment claims will be released today. Okay, this is actually the number of individuals who fought for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. Okay, so okay, this is the forecasted. This is previous month actual data. Okay. Sorry, having a little bit of sore throat. Okay, so meanwhile, unemployment claims have been trending lower, okay, since mid-November. And should the claims once again is lower than the latest weekly estimate of this 199K, okay, is likely to be a bullish catalyst for the dollar, especially if GDP growth comes in stronger than anticipated. Okay, so you can watch out for the GDP result, okay, growth higher than forecasted. And for an unemployment claim, you want the numbers to be lesser than forecasted. Okay. And that will really boost the US dollar. Okay. Okay. Yes, again, when I'll put up my charts. Okay, so GDP and unemployment claims will affect the dollar index, and as well as gold. So as you guys know that those are gold and dollar index, they are negative correlated. So if dollar index were to be bullish, okay, you can expect the gold prices to start to come down once again. So it has been quite bearish for 1 week already. So yep. So should the claims once again be lower than the latest weekly estimate, okay, it could put further pressure on gold, okay, especially if the GDP growth, right, comes in stronger than anticipated. Okay, and also the Tokyo Core CPI will be released tomorrow. Okay, so yes, trended lower over the past 12 months with December figures easing to 2.1% year on year. Okay, and January estimate of 1.9% points to further moderation, allowing the Bank of Japan to maintain its ultra dovish monetary policy. Okay, it's a move that put pressure on the dollar or Japanese yen. Okay, and it also keeps the dollar yen pair elevated. Okay, so you could look out for these Tokyo Core CPI data as well. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. So please let me know if you have any particular currency pair or indices that you would like to look at, and we can go through them together. It's a bit slow. Okay, so we are on the H4 chart for the dollar index. Okay, so let's look for some support and resistance level together. So yes, first support will be right here. Okay, at the most recent swing low. Okay, let's see if I could connect to more weeks, because the more weeks you connect without cutting through the body, it will be a stronger support or resistance level. Okay, yeah, I can connect to this signal here. Okay, so this is a overlap support. As you can see, the price bounces off. Okay, it becomes a support, whereas and over here the price starts to break, and go all the way down. So it becomes a, and over here, okay, it's unable to break through, showing signs of rejection. So this overlap support. The next level will be here. Okay, we can use this level. As you can see, there's a lot of rejections. This is one area that faces a lot of rejection, this pullback level here. And on the resistance side, okay, I could start with this. This is a recent swing high, and drag it. Okay, I could also connect to this. Okay, this pullback level. Okay, so once again, we have a okay, maybe not, because it's actually is cutting through the bodies here. So I could use this. Okay, this pullback here. Okay, this will be my first resistance. Okay, so this is an overlap resistance. And a second level. Okay, the multi-sync high. Okay, so this where price has encountered resistance. Okay, so it could be a potential selling interest, an area of potential selling interest. Okay, and I believe we could see if there's any retracement below level. Okay, I could use the 127 extension. Okay, you can see that it's aligning with the second support. Okay, so it makes it a stronger area of support. Okay, extend green. Okay, so for now, this chart is okay, kind of bearish now. Okay, looking to it's falling to our first support level. Okay, but it looks like, you know, looking at the structure of this chart, it could bounce off this first support and rise to the first resistance level. Okay, so as you know, if dollar index is bullish, right? It should be bearish for gold. Okay, because of the correlation, negative correlation. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. Okay, this will be my first support. Okay, I can connect it and make it bigger for you guys. See, I can connect to, yeah, I can connect to this lower wick here. No, doesn't connect. Okay, but we can do this. So it becomes a overlap. Okay, price face rejections here, broken through and bounces off. You can see that here. Okay, price bounces off, becomes an overlap. Once again, it broke through, bounce off. Okay, and until here, price has react over this level again. It bounces off this 2006 level. Okay, so I guess this is a pretty good support level. And the next support should be here. Okay. Here, this swing low here will be my second support. And once again, I want to see if I'm able to connect to more. Okay, I can pull it to here. And also it captures these, let me zoom in. So it captures this level here. Okay, the rejection here. So it becomes a overlap support once again. So we have two overlap support. Okay, with the first one at 2006, the second is slightly lower at 1975. So if today's release, GDP and also unemployment claim release is favorable for the US dollar, which in turn rise up or cause the dollar index to rally. Okay, there's a possibility whereby gold can, you know, break through this level, 2006 level. And from the resistance side, okay, another overlap. So we have an overlap resistance. The second resistance, okay, is 2039. Okay. Okay, so I'll be using this level for my second resistance. Okay, so the trend line is not really clear. Okay, so I can't draw a Fibo here. So can't really draw a Fibo here. Okay, so there isn't a Fibo area. So this will be for gold. Okay, gold and USD pair. Maybe it bigger for you to see. And I think spotted a immediate resistance here. Okay, immediate because it's very, very close to our current price. Okay, can you guys see the immediate resistance? Okay, guys, forgot to off my alert. Okay. Next up, we will look at euro dollar. So once again, depending on the result release date, okay, especially today, both euro and US dollar, they and the US, okay, they will be releasing high impact news. So both will be affecting the euro and also USD, and is especially for this euro dollar pair. Okay, so this pair could be very volatile today. So depending on the results, okay, if both results are bad for both economy, so it could. Okay, give me a second. Okay, first support HB here. Yeah, I tend to start at my the closer support level, then I will drag this out. See if I can connect more wicks without cutting so many of the bodies. So I managed to connect these. Okay, the price pulling back. Okay, so we have our first support, the overlap support, and the second one is here. Just saw the support level. Is also another overlap. Okay, it captures a very significant level here. Okay, this very big swing, this V shape. Okay. And on the resistance, you can see the immediate resistance here. And drag it back to see. Okay, I think this will be a good area. If I drag it here, right, you can see that it'll be cutting across too many of the bodies. So I'm just gonna capture this bounce here. Okay, so once again, the first resistance is also a overlap support and overlap support. Sorry, overlap resistance. Okay, and now second resistance here. Also identified as a overlap resistance. Also, the price bounce off here. Okay, let's see if there is any extension. Okay, so we have the 161 extension level. Okay, aligned very closely with the second support. So here you go. This is the euro dollar, okay, fluctuating in between first support and first resistance level. kind of, I think market looks like it's kind of undecided right now, especially with the high impact news that will be releasing really soon, okay, later today. Okay, so actually I could also shift this lower, okay, to capture this level, and also here. Okay, so I'm gonna create a immediate support. Wait a second. I'm gonna draw the immediate resistance here on the 1.0905 level. Okay, so it does have a immediate resistance line. So any currency pairs that you guys are interested in, write your request on the comment section, and we can go through them together. Okay, let's look at dollar yen. Okay, so once again, a very clear support level. Okay, this swing low here, support. Okay, then from here, I will try to pull it back. Then I can connect the wick. Okay, and if I try to pull back some more, okay, okay, it does connect this bounce, breakout. And once again, face rejections here. The price starts to pull back. Okay, so this is a good overlap support. Second support here. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here because it has been cutting through too many of the bodies, and it also cut across the entire this significant swing. So I'm gonna leave it here. This will be my second support. Okay, the swing low here. And this is a pullback. Okay, and on the resistance. Okay, resistance is this a multi-swing high. Okay, since like the price is not able to break this 148 level. Okay, lots of selling pressure here. And likewise for our second resistance. Okay, also a multi-swing high. Give me a second. I guess my computer is a bit laggy. I'm supposed to find my mouse to my second screen. Okay, so we started. Okay, and we also can draw a Fibo. Okay, so there will be a Fibo level here. Okay, so it hasn't break through the 23. So we can still use the 23 and also 50% Fibo level. aligns with our both support. Let me see a stronger level of support. Okay. Oh, I missed out this dollar franc. Okay, support level. Maybe all the way across. Not a very good support, but I'm just gonna use it for now. Okay, second one here. Okay, so this one is the pullback support. Okay, it's too close together, the first and second, so I'm gonna change this to my immediate support, the dotted line. Okay, and this one change to the support. Second one is slightly far. Let me use this. There's also nothing over here. That would be too close. Okay, so my second support is kind of far. Okay, right at the swing low here. And maybe it's a all-time low. Okay, and on the resistance side, okay, you can see that there is an overlap. Okay, next one will be the swing high. And I could connect to a small level. Okay, this pullback here, so we do have a overlap support. Sorry, overlap resistance. And there could be a Fibonacci level. Broken, so I can't use. Still can use the 38.2. Okay, it lines up perfectly with the first support. Okay, so the current price now, as you know, we are looking through the chart together, can see that price starts to come down. Okay, so it has briefly touched the first support level before reversing back. Okay, so looks like for dollar franc, it's still on a bearish momentum. Okay, so it has reacted, okay, off our resistance level, so it could drop towards our first support. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, the swing low and this, we join it together, it becomes an overlap again. Okay, first support is the overlap, and next significant level will be here. Multi swing low. Okay, resistance, current price. Okay, you can connect them together. Now we do have a multi swing high resistance. Yeah, actually it's a pullback. Okay. This is still like the current price going down. So okay, this will be a pullback resistance. You can see that the price pull back from over here. Okay. Okay, second level. Okay, this is not a swing high, so also see that price pulling back. Okay, so this is a pullback resistance. So we do have two pullback. Okay, we can use the swing low. It's swing low, most recent swing low, connect to the swing high here. Okay, we can use the 50%. Where 50% here. Okay, so we have 50% feeble level lining up nicely, very close to our second support. Okay, which is a stronger level of support. And to also draw projection here to here. Okay. Here I can draw projection because price is coming down for now. So I got to wait for a price to reverse again. Okay, then I can project to see how far the price will go. Okay, but for now I'm gonna leave out a projection because price is coming down already. Okay, let's look for some resistance. Okay, let's see if I can still use yep, I can use the 61.8, okay, Fibo level as our resistance. Okay, this one lines up nicely with our second resistance level. Okay, connecting them together. Okay, so this will be for the dollar CAD. Okay, so it has reacted off our first resistance level and price is start to pull back. Okay, so it could continue to fall to reverse all the way to the first support level. Okay, let's look at the Aussie dollar. Okay, so far the stocks are all quite, I mean the currency pair are quite bearish, huh? Okay, first support, you can connect. Looks like I can connect this. Okay. Okay, so we have a pullback support. Okay, price keep pulling back to this level. Another one here. Okay, which is also another pullback. Okay, price pullback here bounces off. the resistance. Okay, we can drag to here. Okay, or this. Okay, so I can connect more wicks. So this will be my first resistance. Second resistance is slightly difficult to find. Okay, I will use this overlap for my second resistance. Okay, let's look for the people level. Okay, can use the 38.2. Okay, then I will make this as whole level of whole area as my resistance. So once price touches this level, that it could pull back from here. So it doesn't necessarily need to touch the line. Okay, so this will be for the Aussie dollar. Looks like it's quite it's on a bullish trend. Okay. It did not drop all the way to the first support, and now it's going to the first resistance level. But it could be met with some form of resistance here. So let's see if it will reverse back to the first support. Okay, EV dollar. See my first support here. Okay. Okay, once again, I have an overlap support. Now I'll take this level. Just pull back here. Okay, this one will be my second support, the pullback. Okay, resistance. Okay, this one is also a pullback resistance. Okay, overlap resistance, second one. Okay, very similar to the Aussie dollar pair. Okay, we also have, we can draw the Fibo support level. Okay, so there is a 38.2. Okay, align very closely with the second resistance. Can look for resistance for the look for support here. Okay. So there is a 50% and 61.8 Fibo. Okay, supporting our first and second support. I'm gonna color this. And also this. So you can see that the New Zealand dollar and also the the Kiwi dollar and the Aussie dollar, right? Both of them actually move in a very similar manner. Okay, so both of them move in a very similar manner. Um, so they are kind of correlated with each other. So currently, as again for the Kiwi dollar, you can see that the price is rising to our first resistance. Anyone is buying oil, okay, can look at oil. The chart is like it's pretty bullish. Okay, has been climbing up quite steadily. Let's see if there is a trend line. Okay, so there is actually a ascending trend line. You see price starts to move higher. Okay, this acts like a support for oil. Okay, so we have the pullback support. Okay, for our first support, followed by this. Okay, also another pullback support for our second. Actually, we do have immediate resistance right at the current price. Okay, right on the current price, it has been met with some immediate resistance. Okay, price pulling back, so this is a pullback resistance. Actually, after I have made the chart smaller, right, this is actually the swing high resistance level. Okay, you can see there is a swing high here, and which is our immediate. And the next one will be somewhere. It's not easy to find the support and resistance level, so kind of choppy this chart. Okay, I will put one here. Okay, my first resistance. And I'm just gonna use this. Okay, this double top. Okay, this will be my first resistance. Yeah, followed by this pullback here will be my second. It doesn't have a very clear structure. Okay, so I can't draw the retracement Fibo, okay, because of the unclear structure. Okay, let's take a look at the one more. US 500. Okay, so for now, US 500 once again is at all-time high. Okay, the price have come back down. First support should be this. Okay, this one is a pullback support. Followed by this. Okay, this overlap here. So if price were to come down, right, it could come back down really, really fast, really far. Okay, cause there isn't anything over here. The price is already at an all-time high. So it could be dangerous if you were to enter at such a high price. So let's see if price will be correct, will have any correction. I don't have, because this is already the all-time high. So yeah. Okay, I can use the 61% stable level, okay, to support my first support. Because this price is at the all-time high, so I will toggle to a daily chart, okay, to look for Fibo resistance level. You can use this. High and low. $100. Okay, so my second resistance, okay, will be at this 161 Fibonacci retracement. Sorry, extension level. Okay, it's at the extension 161 extension. We remove the blue. And we toggle back to the H4 chart. Okay, it will look a bit more reasonable. Okay. Okay, seems like price is kind of fluctuating. Not doesn't have a really clear trend. Okay, so this will be all for today's session. Do you have any questions? Okay, so if you guys have no questions today, hope you enjoyed today's webinar, and I'll see you guys in the next webinar. Thank you, and also have a great trading week. Okay, with all the major news, I guess it'll be quite exciting to trade. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye bye.